Hello team. So this is the Urban company demo. So this is the admin dashboard which I'm going to show you. So here you can check total booking, earning, how much providers we have, customers. Here you can check earning like all payments. Here you can check your provider data. You can add it as well. Here you can check notifications or you can export as well. After that, if your favorite list you can check or you can create as well. You can select service, you can select user, or you can add. After that, here you can set up your provider types, or here you can create multiple types. Or what is the commission rate you can set up. Here you can check your provider data. See, this is the providers. Here you can manage, you can edit, delete, you can check if EOC available or not. If provider register from front end, that data will come here, then you can approve, then that user will active. Okay, here you can manage gallery, avos, here you can manage experience, you can create experience as well. Here you can check available hours, addresses, here you can manage category. After that you can check your service data here. You can edit, delete. If you want to create any services, then you can create other services. Here you can check your option groups, or you can create, you can manage options. Here you can check service reviews. After that we have a booking. So here booking data, you can check it here. You can export data as well. Here you can manage booking status. Here you can check your coupons, or you can create multiple coupons. After that we have a FAQ. In a payment you can manage your payment list, or you can export that data. You can manage, or you can update your payment method, what payment method you are using. Okay, after that this is a payment status, so you can check or you can add it. After that you can manage provider payout, wallet you can manage your earning. Here you can check media library. Here you can manage your themes वगैरह. Okay, after that we have our users. So here you can create multiple users, you can add it, delete, you can log in as the user, you can check the profile as well. You can manage, or you can check the provider view, you can check customer view, you can create user. Here you can make roles if you want to make roles, or you can give permission to those roles, what permission you want to allow them. Here you can check users. Okay, after that we have some global settings as well, so you can manage the setting. If you want to change themes and other things, you can manage that. Here you can set up your localizations like date, format, time zones and all. Here you can manage your social payments, so you can set up payment like tax, what tax we are using. Here you can manage currency, you can create currency as well. Here you can set up your taxes and all. Okay, so here you can manage your push notification, you can add taxes. Here mail, so you can set up your SMTP or mail gun for mail. Okay, after the roles and permissions, so here you can create roles, or you can manage role lists, you can give permissions to them. Okay, or after that we already show you other things. This is the same things which we already show you on global setting. Now let me log in with a customer view or provider view, and let me show you. This is the provider login which I'm going to go. Okay, this is a provider login. Okay, here you can check your notifications. Okay, save user. If you want to edit anything here, then you can edit as well. This is the notification, so you can manage your notification, you can check your favorites. Here you can manage your other providers, you can check your category, you can add your services and all, you can manage it. These are some payments, or you can give permissions according to requirement as well. So I already show you the complete demo. So if you have any doubts or query, then you can connect with us. Thank you.